Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are listening me in the good state of health and you are doing very well in your homes. And in today's lesson, we are going to talk about the cutting edge technology on page number 11. So what are the cutting edge technology? So everybody knows that in the field of computer, things are changing day by day, right? Everything is getting changed, it's getting better and better day by day. As the time is passing, new things are coming and they are taking the place of old things, right? For example, if we take an example of our homes, our mother doing the same things with the traditional methods, but now they are using the machines for every specific task. For example, in the previous days or in the previous time, they warm up the rooms with the fire, with the natural fire. But now heaters are available. So in that way, the computer is changing day by day. Computer system, development system is changing day by day. There are many new things that are coming towards in the computer field, and they are totally revolutionize the system, okay. So most advanced stages and inventions and the developments in the computer field are called the cutting edge technologies. Means they have cut out the traditional method of doing the specific thing and they introduce a new method of doing that. So we can say the cutting edge technology revolutionized the whole computer system. And these are the modern technology. And we are going to some modern technology as they are exist in your book. So there are barcode reader, fingerprint reader, and third one is robo. But in today's class, we will go for the barcode only. Okay? And if we talk about the barcode reader, what is the barcode reader? Anybody knows about it? If you want to tell. Seventh class, if you want to tell, you can tell. Yes, here, Manu, you can tell.
Barcode is a set of light and dark bars lined with different width based on different projects. Barcode reader is an input device. It gathers information by reading a barcode.
Share, Manu, you don't have to. Okay, I hope you all visited any mall, any shopping mall or like Imtiaz or Cheza. Everybody visited the mall or not?
Yes.
Yes. And when you are going to pay and sum up the bills, what are they doing? They just have a gun type machines, okay, for scanning all the barcodes on the product, and they just make a list and bill and hand it over to you people, right? So what we can say about the barcode reader? First of all, we will go for the barcode. What is the barcode? So barcode basically is a set of light and dark bars. Means in the barcode consists of a light and dark lines, or you can say bar. Here you can see like this. Some are width and some are not, some are thin like this, okay. And some numbers you can see on the barcode as well like this, okay. So this barcode is available on the every product. These light and dark bars lined with different weights are pasted on every product. And what is installed in these lines? The information about those things and about those products. For example, the product name, product specifications, who made it and what is made for, and how can you use it, what its price, and from how many places you can take it. These all information is pasted and hidden within these bars. Okay, what we called it, क्या कहते हैं हम इसे? Barcode. हम इसे बोलते हैं barcode, right? So there are the
Yes, ma'am.
bars with different weight which are pasted on the back side of your product, and the different information about that specific product is installed and pasted in behind these bars. Okay, so barcode reader is an input device which can scan and read these type of barcodes and display all the information to the computer which is hidden inside the barcode. Now I'm going to share you the video. So here is how you can, here you can see that how a barcode work. Okay. Okay, here is a barcode. He is using barcode reader, looking like a gun. And in this way, you can scan the barcode lines. All the products have their own barcode. Okay. Okay, here are the barcode lines which you can scan with this barcode reader. As you can see, they are scanning all the products, right? Okay. In this way, all the information which is hidden in the barcode installed in the computer. Okay, in this way. Okay, now you will see in the shopping mart how they scan the barcodes. This is the barcode reader machine, input device. And in this way, they just scan the barcode, right? And all the information goes with it, which is hidden inside all the product. Here you can see. Right? Means they are using the mirror. Agar, for example, some barcodes are written in a mirror image way. Here you can see. Okay. So in this way, देखें वो टिन बॉक्स का जो स्कैन है वो कर रहा है, ठीक है? ओके, जी 7th क्लास सबने देखा? So everybody be quiet, please. Let me take you people to the book now. So here you can see my book. So today we talked about the barcode reader, and now we are going to mark the question. So first of all, here you have to write the question, define barcode, right? And the answer will be barcode is a set of light and dark bar lines with different width pasted on different products. Okay.
तो यहाँ तक ही है इसका बारकोड रीडर का?
Yeah, no, this is the definition of barcode, not a barcode reader. I'm just going to mark the barcode reader as well. But first of all, you have to write the definition of barcode. Okay. Okay, now we'll go for the defining UPC. Okay, here you can write the question. So every barcode has a series of number known as universal product code. Right? जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया that here are numbers available at the downside of the barcode and you can say them UPC, universal product code.
ये यूपीसी था क्या इसका यूपीसी का आंसर?
UPC, and it reflects the country of origin.
यस.
Okay, now from this line you have to write the definition of barcode reader. Define barcode reader, right? So I am just going to mark it, underline it. Barcode reader is a laser scanning device. A barcode reader is attached to barcode reader is a laser scanning device, right? And it translates the information stores in the form of a barcode. This information includes batch number and product name etc. And barcode readers are mostly used in supermarkets, pharmacy, and library. Okay. And here are some available barcode readers as you can see on the book. Everybody mark the question. Today, 3 questions we have in today's lesson.
तो कटिंग एज टेक्नोलॉजी का नहीं है कोई?
First one is barcode, second is UPC, and third one is define barcode reader. And you have to
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes.
टीचर कि हमने सारा कॉपी पे लिखना है?
You don't have to write it on your notebook. You just have to learn it. I tell in every class. Okay. If any student don't have your book, you can take a screenshot from here and show me the thumbs up. Okay, now I'm going to stop sharing my.
I will repeat the definition of barcode reader.
Okay. Okay, in this way, today's lesson has been end, and you have to learn today's lesson very well. I will take a short test in the next class. And these all are included in your syllabus, so you have to learn them. Okay, Allah Hafiz everyone, and take care of yourselves.